Hey guys, it's Janice. Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wondered how someone who only uses an iPad and Apple Pencil shops for back to school supplies, then this video is going to show you exactly that. Since I no longer use paper, notebooks, binders, pens, pencils, erasers, highlighters, and rulers, I've eliminated about 90% of what students would typically shop for before they go back to school. This is because all of that stuff is readily available in pretty much any note-taking app on the iPad. So when I go back to school shopping, it's kind of all about accessorizing my iPad, which there really isn't much to anyway. So I hop on Amazon on my phone and shop for a cute case to dress up my iPad. So I came across this marble one for $19.99 Canadian, and after reading some reviews, I decided to go ahead with it. As part of my new setup, I also wanted a new case for my Apple Pencil, and I found this translucent one which has a little hole on the top for me to put a charm through. And I'll show you how I do that later when I unbox everything. Thanks to Amazon Prime, it's literally here the next day, so it's time to unbox it. For those of you who have followed me since the beginning of my channel, you might also feel a little nostalgic with the marble case, since I had a very similar one on my first iPad, which was the iPad 6th generation. So that's definitely part of the reason why I had to get it when I saw it on Amazon. Now that the case is on, it's time to wiggle the pencil sleeve on. I thought I'd put a little charm on it as well since it has a hole, and I dug up this little crystal dog charm to dress it up. What I also love doing is changing the wallpaper for a different vibe for the new school season. This is one of my favorite parts as I love finding new wallpapers, and obviously you can find a lot of these things for free. I like to use Google Images and Pinterest for finding wallpapers. You can also get a new screen protector for your iPad, which I always recommend anyway. If you're looking to drastically improve your iPad writing experience, I'd go for the Paperlike screen protector, which is what I have on this iPad right now, and I would recommend it especially if you want to retain the feeling of writing on paper on your iPad. I'm coming up on nearly a year of using Paperlike on my iPads, and it still remains a great experience for me. My 2nd gen Apple Pencil has yet to show any signs of wear and tear in the last 3 months that I've owned the iPad Pro. The screen protector still remains clean and smooth even with just occasional cleaning, and the papery feel is still very much intact. I do have a whole video that shows my Paperlike application and talks about my experience with it, so I'll link that on the screen right now as well as in the description box. Instead of my laptop, I've been using my Magic Keyboard with the iPad, so of course I had to decorate it as well. I decided to dress up the keyboard with cute stickers just to make it more personalized and colorful, since unfortunately the keyboard only comes in one color. As a digital note taker, you don't really have to shop for paper or notebooks since a lot of note-taking apps come standard with templates anyway. With that said, there are tons of great notebook and planner templates on sale on Etsy. I do like to use my own templates, which you can get for free on my website. In particular, I have my dark paper templates, including ones for the Cornell note-taking system, as well as a monthly planner template that I'm actually working on and planning to release next year. I'll put the links to all the current available downloads in the description box. Other than these basic supplies and accessories, there are also digital textbooks that you can find for free a lot of the time just by Googling. That also saves a lot of money. Another optional thing to purchase as part of your back to school shopping is a laptop case just to store your iPad in when you're transporting it. So here I'm just using a really old one that I used to use for my MacBook, and my iPad Pro 12.9 inch fits perfectly in it. That is literally all I do when it comes to back to school shopping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more from me, here are some other videos from my channel that I recommend.